Well, today, Los Angeles County is officially ending its COVID-19 emergency declaration. Now, you probably won't notice any drastic changes, but this is a significant milestone in the pandemic. KCAL News reporter Jasmine Viel is live in downtown LA with what to expect next. Jasmine.
Yeah, just a short time ago, we heard exactly that inside of public health. The COVID-19 emergency has officially come to an end. Now, the county is still offering free vaccines, free testing, but they're focusing now more on those at-home tests. They're still telling people if they test positive, isolate for 5 days, but this all comes as cases, hospitalizations, and deaths decline.
And that's Liz right there.
Dave Carletta lost his wife Liz to COVID in December of 2020, just before Christmas.
It was very, very tough back then. Loved dancing, loved Disney. Our house is like a dopey shrine.
The deadly virus robbed him of the many more years he could have spent dancing and laughing with the mother of his children. For 3 years, Carletta pushed through the pandemic, lockdowns, masking, and the uncertainty.
It's so random. We don't know who is going to get affected by it.
But this Burbank chiropractor says he's moved forward, and so should LA County by ending its emergency COVID order that went into place just months before his wife died.
It's like a turning point. That, you know, it's like, okay, once we had not to wear them in the stores and the restaurants and everything, that was great. And now this is just the next logical step forward.
The local LA County COVID-19 emergency declarations end today, March 31st, 2023.
Public Health Director Dr. Barbara Ferrer says with tracking, testing, vaccines, and therapeutics, the county can move into a new phase in this pandemic.
We're really glad to see so many fewer people dying and so many fewer people hospitalized. We feel so blessed to be in a country where we've had really ample supply of the tools that got us here.
The state and public health will ease some COVID reporting guidelines, but will continue to require that healthcare workers like Carletta continue to be vaccinated and wear a mask.
To have an effective annual vaccine for COVID that's given at a similar time as we all get our flu vaccines.
Carletta says he hopes this pandemic has left all of us better prepared.
But hindsight's 2020, you know. This was all new territory for everybody, and especially the health officials going forward, trying to decide how do we deal with this.
And when Dr. Ferrer was asked, looking back, what she would have done differently, she said to be better communicators, to go out into the community and ask people what were their biggest fears and their needs. Also, another change that is happening Monday will be the end of those government-required COVID vaccine requirements for workers in adult care facilities, jails, and prisons. Live here in downtown LA, and Jasmine Viel, KCAL News.